Now, in order for something to be a function, for any x value, we must only have one possible y value. Right? So we cannot allow 2 points with the same x coordinate to have different y coordinates. And you can see this function here. Anytime we have an x value, we just have one y value. An x value, just one y value. In this example over here, however, you can see that if we have a value of x round about just under 2, like this one here, then we can have this value of y, or we can have this value of y. And that makes this thing over here not a function, because we can have 2 possible y values for some x value. The vertical line test just means that if you have a function, then if you draw a straight line, it only goes through the function, the graph of the curve, in one place, right here. So here's another vertical line, goes through once. Another vertical line, it goes through once. Whereas if you don't have a function, then you can draw, it's possible to draw a vertical line so that it goes through 2 places. Like here we have the vertical line going through the curve in 2 places. Sometimes if you're given a function just as an equation, like here, you can see that if you put some x value, for example x equals 2, into this expression here, there's only going to be ever one y value that comes out. So for example, if x is equal to 2, 2 times 2 plus 5 is going to be 9. However, there are some equations, like this equation down here, where you might get more than one possible y value. For example, if x is equal to 3, we put 3 in here. 3 plus 1 is 4, so y squared is equal to 4. And remember, y could be positive or negative 2. And then since y has more than one value, for that value of x, it means it's not a function.